Welcome to our Northern California real estate market update. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest segments of our market, new construction homes. Hello, everyone. I'm Celso Manganan, a proud U.S. Army veteran and your dedicated real estate agent here in Northern California. Today, we're diving into the top 5 repairs you should consider before putting your home on the market. These strategic fixes can significantly enhance your home's appeal and value. Now, while housing inventory is still somewhat limited, the rise in new construction has injected some much needed activity into the market. So, what exactly can you expect when you're in the market for a new build? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the positives. New construction homes typically boast higher building standards and more stringent code requirements. This means lower utility and insurance costs for you in the long run. Definitely a win. Plus, there's something special about being the first to inhabit a home. No lingering traces of previous occupants, just a clean, fresh start. But of course, like any big decision, there are also some things to consider. For starters, most new construction builders offer warranties to cover any initial hiccups. After all, homes are still man-made and mistakes can happen during the construction process. From misaligned fixtures to forgotten bolts, these issues can crop up, but a solid warranty ensures they're taken care of promptly. However, it's worth noting that in some cases, the pace of construction can lead to corners being cut or details being missed. This can result in additional headaches down the line if not addressed properly. And let's not forget about the noise and disruption that come with living in a construction zone. Be prepared for the sound of trucks, beeps, and hammering. It's all part of the process. So, if you're considering taking the plunge into new construction, it's crucial to have a knowledgeable real estate agent like me by your side. And I will guide you every step of the way to help you navigate the intricacies of the process, from selecting the right builder to ensuring everything is up to standard during inspections. Or if you are thinking of buying your first home, or thinking of selling your home now or in the near future, I am here to help. If you're ready to explore the world of new construction homes, don't hesitate to reach out to me, whether by phone or text me at 2098556648. I'm here to help you find the perfect new home that ticks all your boxes. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy house hunting. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, homeownership is within reach, and with the right guidance, you can navigate the process confidently. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It does not cost you anything, but it means a lot to me. Click the notification bell for more real estate insights. Until next time, take care and stay informed. God bless America, and God bless our veterans and our brave troops. See you in my next video.